In this video, today we know the top 5 ICC ranked cricketer in 2022. We know one thing, that was cricket is the most popular sports game in the world. And we know when the World Cup is held, then how we are curious to see the match. And one more important is, researchers found that cricket is the second largest sports game in the world. Now we coming back to our main topic. The top 5 mains cricketers who ranked in ICC through their performances in previous matches. In that list, ODI mains first cricketer is BABAR AZAM. He play from Pakistan cricket team. His total runs in ODI is 4573. And the second cricketer is IMAM ul Haq. He play from Pakistan cricket. His ODI run is 2528. And the third cricketer name is RASSIE Van der DASSEN. He play from South Africa. And his total runs in ODI is 1525. And the fourth cricketer is QUINTON de KOCK. He play from South Africa. And his total runs in ODI is 5774. And the fifth number cricketer is VIRAT KOHLI. VIRAT KOHLI was ex-Indian captain, and his captaincy India wins 65 ODI. VIRAT KOHLI total score in ODI is 1-344. VIRAT KOHLI holds a record, and it was, he need only 462 innings to reach 22,000 international runs. Followed by Sachin Tendulkar, who took 493 innings to achieve this feat. And we know the popularity of cricket in India as compared to other sports. At last, thank you very much to watching my videos. And I think that in this video will give you few knowledge of the cricket. And getting more knowledgeable videos, please subscribe my channel and comment below.